I used to fear the quiet, thought alone meant being lost. But solitude ain't lonely when you learn what freedom calls. I walked out of the fire, came back with clearer eyes. I don't beg for company, some souls ain't meant for ties. If you see me on my own, no, I ain't falling, I'm growing strong. I'm walking with my shadow, head high through the night. A lone wolf don't need watching, he already owns his fight. I don't chase, I don't cling, I just rise without a crowd. Walking with my shadow, and I've never felt more proud. They say a man needs someone to feel his life's complete, but I found my peace in silence, found my worth on my own feet. I ain't cold, I'm just steady, I ain't distant, I'm just real. If you can't handle quiet power, you ain't built for how I heal. I don't hide in isolation, I stand tall in revelation. I'm walking with my shadow, no noise, no fear, no doubt. You don't lose when you walk alone, you learn what strength's about. I don't beg to be seen, oh, I don't need to be allowed. Walking with my shadow, and damn, I walk it proud. One day they'll understand, wolf hearts don't fear the dark, they fear a cage. And I ain't kneeling for nobody's comfort again. I'm walking with my shadow, and that's more than enough for me. When you own your solitude, you don't chase what's meant to leave. I ain't broken, I'm unbound. Walking with my shadow, and I wear that like a crown. I used to hold doors for hearts that never stayed. Gave my soul to hands that only took and walked away. Now I don't chase footsteps, I protect my space instead. I learned some love just starves you, but solitude, it keeps you fit. I ain't bitter, I'm awake now. Peace taught me more than people ever did. I'd rather walk alone than sleep next to doubt. Better cold and honest than warm and sold out. I don't beg for closeness, I don't kneel to be saved. Better alone than betrayed. That's a choice, not a wound I made. folks fear the silence, 'cause it reminds them who they are. Me, I breathe steady in it. I don't need no shining star. I lost some people, gained my pride. That's a trait I'll take again. I don't need a crowd to crown me. Wolves don't run to fit in. If loyalty ain't sacred to you, then don't stand near a man who holds it true. I'd rather walk alone than pretend I trust. Better empty room than love dipped in dust. If the world can't match my honesty, then let the world fade. Better alone than betrayed, and stronger 'cause I stayed. I don't fear being single. I fear being surrounded by the wrong ones. Silence never stabbed me, people did. Now I pick peace over company, and damn, it fits. Yeah, I'd rather walk alone than drown in fake embrace. I lost some hearts, but never lost my place. I don't chase love, I choose who stays. Better alone than betrayed, and I rise that way. Spent years waiting on a hand, someone to lift me when I sank. Thought loyalty meant saving me. Now I know real strength don't bank. Nobody walked in when I broke. Nobody held me through the storm. I learned to stitch my own heart shut. Learned to rise without a warm arm. I ain't I'm awakened. Silence raised me more than comfort ever did. No one's coming, and I'm fine. Built this backbone line by line. I don't pray for rescue, I don't beg for signs. A lone wolf don't need saving to survive. No one's coming, and it made me alive. Some men fall without a crowd, need eyes to feel like they exist. But I got used to empty rooms and found there's power in the quiet grit. If you wanna see a man grow fast, just watch when he stands alone. No applause, no soft applause, just his breath, his blood, his bone out on break. When it gets heavy, I get steady, I get still. No one's coming, and I'm fine. Pain didn't kill me, it redesigned. No shoulders held me, no voices aligned. But I came out sharper every time. No one's coming, and damn, that's divine. Some wait for angels, some wait for love, some wait for hands to lift them up. Me, I stood in a mirror and met the only one who ever could. No one's coming, and I'm fine. It's a lonely road, but it's mine. I rise without rescue, I shine without shine. A man who saves himself don't need a sign, don't need a sign. No one's coming, and still I climb. I used to hate the quiet nights, though silence meant I failed. But lonely ain't the same as lost, and peace don't come with crowded noise and tales. I sat with thoughts that hurt me once, now they speak like old friends. Turns out truth don't kill a man, it's lies that do him in. I don't run from my reflection now, I shake his hand to stand tall. Silence is where I meet myself, not the virgin love tore down, not the man who begged to be seen, the one who earned his crown. No cheering, no saving, just me and my breath, and that's enough, I swear. Silence is where I meet myself, and I like the man I find there. I don't fill my nights with company, just to dodge the darker parts. A strong man don't fear his emptiness, he lets it carve his heart. Yeah, I lost a few along the way, and truth be told, some loss felt good. When people leave and peace arrives, that's how you know you understood. Nothing stronger than a man who sat alone with who he is and stays. Silence is where I meet myself. No applause and no demands, just brisk scars and steady spine, a life held in my hands. No audience, no witness, just truth hanging in the air. Silence is where I meet myself, and I'm proud of the man in there. I ain't afraid of love, I just learned not to fear its absence. When you trust your own company, you stop calling loneliness a threat. Silence is where I meet myself, built by every choice I made. I don't need noise to feel alive. I breathe, I rise unafraid. I know my worth without a voice telling me I matter here. Silence is where I meet myself, and I stand solid year by year.
I used to run for love, thought proving made me seen. But desperate hearts get broken fast, and kings don't beg for queens. Now I move with steady purpose, eyes calm, footsteps slow. If it ain't real, it fades away. If it's mine, it learns my flow. A man with patience controls more than a man who wants control. I don't chase, I choose. I don't cling, I lose. What ain't aligned, what ain't true, that's how wolves move. I don't beg to be kept, I don't fear who leaves next. What's meant stays. I don't chase, I choose. I choose. Oh. I stopped running toward approval, stop fighting to be heard. Silence does the speaking now, my presence says the words. If love comes, let it come slow. If life changes, let it flow. I don't rush my destiny, I walk it like I know. If someone leaves, I let them, 'cause Loyalty, don't ask twice. I don't chase, I choose.
I choose.
No fear, no excuse. Peace don't run, it roots. I don't chase admiration. I live with quiet truth. Real power, don't pursue. I choose, I never chase you.
I choose.
I never chase you.
I choose.
A man who knows his worth ain't afraid of walking slow. The world comes to him, not the other way around. I don't chase, I choose.
I choose.
That's freedom, not pride, just truth.
I choose.
If you stay, it's cause you fit. If you leave, I don't bow for company. Don't fight to be approved. I rise in silence, and silence always moves. I don't chase, I choose.
Yeah. Yeah. I used to trade my peace just to feel like I belong. Lowered all my standards just to say I wasn't wrong. I let the wrong ones close, gave love like it was cheap. Thought loyalty meant losing, till I bled myself to sleep. Now I don't bend for comfort, I don't break to be adored. I ain't for sale anymore. Not my time, not my soul, not my heart like before. If it ain't real, let the door close. I know what I'm worth now, I know. I walked through hell to learn this truth. What's cheap don't keep, what's real stays short. No, I ain't for sale anymore. You won't see me begging, you won't catch me losing sleep. I don't chase love that's fragile, I only stand for love that's deep. If someone wants to leave me, I won't ask them to explain. A man who values himself doesn't bargain with his pain. I don't fear being alone, I fear giving myself away for cheap again. I ain't for sale anymore. You can't buy me with attention, bittersweet talk at the door. If your presence costs my peace, I'll take silence, I'll take war. I gave discounts once, never again. Real hearts don't discount what they're fighting for. I ain't for sale anymore. Everything I lost gave me clarity. Everything I kept gave me peace. I don't need to be chosen, I choose myself now. I ain't for sale anymore. I paid the price of losing me, won't pay it once more. If you can't match my loyalty, there's the road, there's the door. This heart ain't begging, this spine ain't sold. I ain't for sale, not now, not anymore.
Used to tell the world my plans, hoping someone saw my spark. Now I keep my dreams in silence, let my work speak in the dark. I don't post my every battle, don't parade what I survive. Real change don't need attention, real men build their lives. Noise don't make momentum, discipline does day by day. Quiet focus, loud results. No rush, I don't boast, I evolve. No validation, no applause, just steady steps and no withdrawal. I don't need them to notice for me to feel proud. Quiet focus, loud results, no sound. Some chase spotlight just to fade, some scream, hustle, never move. Me, I rise in hidden hours, patience got nothing left to prove. I cut noise, cut weak excuses, cut the past like dead old vines. My success don't wear a smile, it walks in silence right on time. If you ever doubt a quiet man, just wait, then watch him winning. Quiet focus, loud results. No rush, no panic, no guilt, no faults. I don't brag, I don't need coats. I grow slow, the growth shakes vaults. If you don't see me often, it's 'cause I'm building my own crown. Quiet focus, loud results, no sound. Every day, one brick, every setback, one lesson. A man who still moves further than a man who shouts. Quiet focus, loud result. A grown man don't beg, he consults himself. No hurry, no fear, just earn adult. I ain't loud, but one day they'll know by default. Quiet focus, loud results. Yeah. I spent years giving pieces of myself to hands that couldn't hold me right. Now I keep my worth close, like a flame guarded in the night. I don't chase what wanders, don't kneel for what leads. A wolf don't beg to be chosen, he just walks and he breathes. I know my worth now, and worth don't beg, it stands. I stand, I don't beg. If you stay, it's 'cause you see me, not 'cause I play. I don't bargain with my peace, I don't bargain with my head. I stand, I don't beg. That's power, not pride, that's a man born instead. Lost some roads I once believed in, lost some hearts I thought were mine. Turns out God don't take from you, he just clears the wrong sign. Now the nights feel cleaner, and the mirror feels like truth. The man I am today is who I owe my younger self to. Silence didn't break me, discipline bred. Some men scream to be seen. I just became someone I can't ignore. Attention fades, self-respect don't. I stand, I don't beg. Walk alone if I must, but I walk with respect. Loyal heart, quiet soul, unshaken step. I stand, and everything meant for me meets me where I stand.